It's like a lot of people want pets, di ba? They want dogs, they want cats. You are studying how to live with cats and you will reject the fact that you have to collaborate with men and women and di ba, na hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, hindi mo kailangan ng babae. Kailangan natin ng isa't isa. Ang tawag ng acceptance. Kasi kung hindi natin kailangan isa't isa, ba't pa tayo ginawa ni God, di ba? Parang I think it's just common sense. So ano yan it's the ego talking na ang lagi ko lang sinasabi, women empowerment should not be against other men. And men empowerment should not be against women as well. Men empowerment should be men empowerment so that when we are empowered, we can help the women. And women empowerment should be building high-value women regardless of the high income scale, regardless kung mayaman sila, regardless kung hindi. It's empowering women na pag empowered sila, they can also empower men as well. So that parehong nagmo-move forward kasi pare-parehas po tayong tao. Yun yung mahalaga.